Toy Park Intex 10ft round metal frame set swimming pool with water filter, 3.05 x 76 centimeters. Water capacity, 80% of wall height, 4485 L, 1185 gallons. Diameter of 10 feet. Number of people for installation, 2. Drain pane. Unlike traditional cemented swimming pools, our Intex portable swimming pools don't need any pump or motor to drain the used dirty water. There are 2 plugs outside, you can use them to drain to anywhere you want. In traditional cemented pools you need a pump to drain the water. Leakage. If in case any accidental damage happened to Intex portable swimming pool, you can quick fix it yourself with the help of given repair kit very quickly and easily. While traditional swimming pools it is next to impossible to find the leakage without any big loss. It may be leaks in plumbing lines, concrete shell leaks, or natural evaporation or splash out. Safe since it's an above the ground pool, so no need to make any barricade for kids or the pets. They are safe. Unlike traditional in-ground pools, your kids and pets can play around the pool safely. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.